Nodejs on Windows system. Right, so our Nodejs is already installed here. You can check that it is installed version 22. So it is very easy. Just go to nodejs.org website, download this file, and after downloading this file, just click on that and click next. It will be installed, and after installing, you can check node version. Right. So I will write simple program in JavaScript, and so this is one simple log, console.log, hello world, and another is for loop from 0 to 100. So how to run this JavaScript code? Just go to this three dots, open terminal, right? Open terminal, go to this directory, Nodejs tutorial, and here type node space that file name test.js. So here you can see it is printing hello world and counting from 1 to 100. So this is very easy. Right?